Hello, 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 and welcome to the kitchen. Today I'm making a southern staple, baked macaroni and cheese. Now mac and cheese was present at every holiday, every church supper, every reunion, every gathering that I can remember going to as a child. It was probably my very favorite dish. I remember Granny Davis would make it for me almost every time I stayed with her. Sweet, sweet memories. And I'm sure if my mom would have allowed it, I would have had it every meal. Let me show you how I make it. Go ahead and set your oven to 350 so it can be preheating. And then we're going to boil our pasta, so grab a pot. You're going to add, for this recipe, you're going to add 4 quarts of salted water. Bring that to a rapid boil. Then you're going to add 3 cups of elbow macaroni and stir it just a bit to keep it from sticking or clumping together. Once it returns to a boil, set a timer for 7 minutes. You want to cook it a little less than al dente. I checked mine at 7 minutes and it was perfect. It was still firm, but it was not hard. Remember, we're going to be baking it in the oven. Now that your pasta is ready, take it to the sink and let it drain. Now while your pasta is draining, let's make the cheese filling. Go ahead and grab a large bowl. And I'm going to start out with 1.5 cups of milk and 1/2 cup heavy cream. Now next comes my cheeses of choice, and that is pepper jack, sharp, did I say sharp cheddar cheese, Velveeta, and a Colby Monterey Jack blend. Now I'm going to get all of this mixed together and start adding my seasonings. Now I start out with plenty of black pepper. You cannot get enough black pepper in this dish to suit me. Then I move on to a little garlic powder and onion powder, and lastly some smoked paprika. Now you notice I did not add any salt yet because of the milk of the cheese. I'm going to taste it here in just a minute. Now when this is all mixed together, don't be bashful. Grab a spoon and give it a taste. If it's bland, go ahead and add more seasoning. You'll see mine needed a touch of salt. This step of the recipe cannot be bland. It has to have flavor. So do not undersalt it. Remember, you're still going to have to add pasta. Once you have your sauce flavorful, add your pasta and mix it up well. I almost forgot to add my 2 beaten eggs. I normally add those right before I add the pasta, but I just about forgot them. But this will work. Just mix them in, mix it all together. You'll be fine. Now, grab your favorite casserole dish and butter it generously, because you are ready to pour all that cheesy goodness into the pan. Guess what's next? You guessed it, more cheese. I use the same blends that I used in the cheese mixture. Now you can use any combination of cheeses that you like, but my taste buds are looking for that strong, sharp cheddar flavor. Now your oven should be preheated by now, so pop it on in and let the magic begin. And this is what it looks like 45 minutes later. It's golden, it's bubbly, and now I have to wait 15 more minutes before I can taste it. It needs just a few minutes to set up. Okay, I tasted it and it was so good. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you try this recipe. If you do, leave me a comment. Let me know how your family liked it. And remember, if you enjoy simple Southern cooking, be sure to like and subscribe, and then check out my other videos. Talk to y'all later.